Okay, gang, before we used to put a nail in the plug, but a lot of people mess it up. I'm gonna show you a better way. You're gonna put your RTV on the flange. Remember, black or clear is all you need. Get it here. Put a generous amount of black around the edge to seal the plug. Go all the way around. You use two hands here. Make sure you got a nice bead all the way around. And then what you want to do is this is going to go up against that side. So you're going to take and put a nice bead here. You can be generous with it. And then not only are we going to put it there, we're going to put it on the threads so you don't have to put a screw through there. The silicone will lock the threads down. It's a better way. You don't have to worry about cracking your plug or anything. The plugs we make are better now, but this is a better way. We've got over a few hundred hours on plugs like this, and they lock down really good. So you can be as generous as I'm being. Once you get it like this, you're gonna take your plug and come in to where the old one was. Just like in the other video, except no nail. Get it here, hold it in place, and then screw it on. You'll feel it be a little harder to screw on, and you'll get everything bound up. Just get it hand tight. Once you get it hand tight, you're good to go. Make sure you clean the excess, you'll see it around the door. And you'll see this seals here. So you really don't have to go around, but I go around, smooth it out with my finger. Make sure we got a good seal, so I fill it all the way around. And add a little more for good measure. But the outside is already sealed, but I like to be extra careful. So once you get all that sealed around that crack, remember the threads are locked up with it, so it's not going to come off. We're here to install the insane exhaust that everybody's been waiting for, the rear exit Triton. So we're gonna do a quick tutorial on how to put that on. It's pretty self-explanatory how to do it. Okay, first what you wanna do is transfer your temp sensor to the new bone. Just get it hand tight to start with. Then you can snug it down. And okay, first we wanna get this on. Get it on all the way. This is your 3" to 2.75 coupler. Get you a good fit. Okay, and once that's on, Here goes the trusty rusty screwdriver that nobody likes. You're gonna need it to get you some space to get this all the way in there like that. You'll hear it pop in. Then once you get that side in, push it all the way to the back. You'll hear it clunk on the back. And then you pull this up to get it to fit over the outlet. You're gonna have to work on it a little bit because it's a very, very tight fit. All right, now you see it's finally on. We'll put the 2 clamps on there, a 3-inch and a 2.75 clamp. And you'll tighten everything back up as you'll see, and we'll be done. Okay, once we get it on here, all you want to do is just get everything snug. And once it's snug, you're good to go. Make sure it fits up top the best first, because that's where your fitment is going to be the best. Let's get that tightened down first. We'll tighten the back one first. Goes good and tight. Then you come down and do the bottom. Everything's all tight, not going anywhere. And that's what you want. Check it, tap it a few times. Now we're gonna come back and make sure you tighten this all the way up. And you're gonna take your temp sensor. Yeah. And after you do that, just line everything back up, put it back in. You're ready to go take the Triton out to rip. And the logo will already be up here, but we're gonna leave that off the video. But it's pretty self-explanatory. The only hard part is gonna be getting your coupler to fit here just right. It's best if it's wet. Spray some WD-40 on it, window cleaner or something to make it slip up there. But you'll eventually get that. It takes about a minute or two. And now you guys got the Triton in. You're ready to roll, ready to rock with the most insane system on the water. Peace. You hear this wet jet, the ultimate.